Hey, what's up everybody? It's Meredith and
Coach Sam.
And we're here with a gazpacho soup. Super excited. It is not gonna be tomato based, it is avocado based, so it's gonna be green. Super excited, we've got all of these ingredients. We're gonna go through it and then actually make the soup with you. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna let Sam do her thing. I've got some of the measurements. There's a lot going on here and I get a little overwhelmed with all these ingredients. So that's why I have someone else here when it's complicated.
So I'll start with the larger ingredients. So we have 2 avocados. We have a full cucumber. You have some olive oil, lemon juice, jalapenos, mint, and cilantro, and garlic.
Got a lot going on here. So measurements here, we've got 1/3 cup of both of these dry ingredients. Then we've got to taste the jalapeno because it is spicy. So you're gonna wanna make sure that when you're doing this, if you don't like spice, then don't add a lot of jalapeno. Make sure you take the seeds out because that will burn your tongue. So we've got 2 full avocados, that full English cucumber, and the English cucumber really, it can be any kind of cucumber, it doesn't really matter, but the water content in cucumber mixed with mint and cilantro helps digestion. So it's an awesome cold soup to make sure that your stomach is feeling good, and it's gonna give you those great fats from the avocado, plus all the water content of the cucumber really helps kind of just round it out, hydrate your body, hydrate your skin, all of those things mixed with the nice fats from the avocado.
How much water content is in a cucumber, do you know?
I have no idea.
96%. 96% of water in a cucumber.
She was waiting for that.
I was.
Because I didn't know.
Just laughed cilantro all over the table.
It's okay.
When you're mixing this too, you wanna be, because there's so much water in the cucumber, you don't want your actual soup to taste watery, so feel free to add a little bit more herbs and spices for your tasting as well.
So you can cut those up, and then when you're doing that, I'll pour this in. So this is the lemon juice here. Don't wanna go too far over. And then the olive oil. You can also use avocado oil. Obviously we already have 2 avocados in there, so it's gonna be rich anyways, but I do like that balanced flavor of the olive oil with avocados. So putting in the dry herbs. So we've got mint and cilantro, and then the jalapeno. So remember, don't touch the jalapeno, then touch your face or touch your skin. It's gonna burn you. Be very, very careful when we're doing that.
I did that.
And then the garlic. So do like 1 clove of garlic, or you can get pre-cut garlic or refrigerated garlic. Really, it's like maybe like a teaspoon once you kind of get it all said and done. And what was that? Water. Just water.
Just to give it a little bit more of a liquid so that when you're blending it, you don't have to shake the blender.
Just go back and watch the other videos.
I know somebody
Don't
does
shake
that.
your blender, okay?
All right.
I almost
Gonna get
made
loud.
a mess. Loud.
And there it goes.
That's it. What I really like about this is you can see all the flakes of the cilantro and the mint. And also too, it's smooth. It's really great for your hair, your skin, and your nails because of all those amazing fats in the avocado. And then it's also spicy enough to give you a little kick of that, kind of that jalapeno if you like it. Because if you don't, they can get spicy, super spicy.
Yes.
That looks very good. See, look.
Yummy.
Made here, made before. Made here,
Soup
made
for
before.
days.
Exactly.
Cold soup.
So if you guys like this recipe, make sure you check out all of the other ones. These are super easy, simple, and fast, and there's not a ton of cooking. So if you like that, make sure you check out all the other videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
Bye.